Hi everybody, this is Trish from Art Journal Junkie. Today I'm playing in my Dylusions journal with some of the acrylic paints that I have had stuck away in my drawers. They're the beautiful Amsterdam acrylics, and these are the colors that I generally will use when I'm making jelly plate prints. I don't know why, but those are the colors. Anyway, I decided I was going to take them out and play around with them using my fingers and anything else I could get my hands on, like the back end of this paintbrush, and making a few marks while the paint is still wet. So as you can see, I continue just putting paint down willy-nilly wherever I feel, whatever color. I'm not worrying about trying to get them to match at all. And then here I take a laser print of some papers that my friend Angie gave me, and I put them down with matte gel medium. I love adding different types of substrates into my journal pages, and this is just copy paper, so it doesn't add too much bulk to the journal. You can see my one color there wasn't actually dry. Never mind, it just adds again a little bit of extra something to my page. So what I'm doing here is I've taken a stencil by Joe and put some blue paint over the already dried journal page and then lifted it off with a baby wipe. Now, Lisa Oxley actually gets this down pat. How she does it is beyond me, but she just layers and layers with stencils, which I absolutely adore. So, Lisa, thank you. I think I need to come back to Australia and do a course with you, but I am attempting to use the baby wipe technique to remove paint from the inside of the stencil. As you can see, you can use pretty much anything to stencil through. This is just a piece of drywalling tape that I've had in my drawer for goodness knows how long, and it makes such cute little white dots. Once I'd finished punching back the background with some white acrylic, which you can see I've really taken all that brightness and just toned it down a little bit, was just too hectic for me. I then took another stencil by Joe, and using a cosmetic sponge, just a little bit of black acrylic paint, just to put some pop back in. This is really turning out to be a mixed media project. I've taken out my distress inks and just using some background texture, noise, I'm stamping with different colors onto the acrylic paint. And then I must tell you, you have to allow it to dry really well, otherwise you might smudge it. This is just a printout of a picture I found on the internet. It's from the front page of a magazine, and it was obviously about the black swan. So I gave her a little bit of a neck, and I decided to just change her up a little bit by cutting out and masking around her. And yeah, then I stick her on with matte gel medium. Last but not least, I used my own font, wrote the words "Just Be You" and coloured it in with a black marker and then outlined with white gel pen. Sadly, my video camera just gave up the Holy Ghost there, so you don't see that process. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this small video, and come on over to Art Journal Junkie on Facebook and join us there. We're a great group. And thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you all again soon. You take care now and have a good day. Bye for now.